This is Greg Fanbook, creator of the YouTube channel Greg's Mind, and so this will be like a quick three things. One, it's just an assorted collection of thoughts and experiences, well, more experiences than anything. But so there are three dreams. That the first one happened early November after I had moved up here. And that would be so basically what I saw was I was walking down the street at my old place, and I saw like all the, I guess, like the souls of the people like I knew there. So like some of them are still alive, some of them I don't know. I think all of them are still alive, but I saw them, and as I was passing them, I like greeted them. It was basically me saying goodbye to these past contracts that I had with them at the time, because I was moving to a different state. So it's just to show that like you are here on Earth for experiences, and other souls will provide you those experiences. And so I was saying goodbye, in a sense, to the experiences and the souls that I shared a contract with when I was back in the previous state. Now, so that's the first one. The second one, which took me too long to realize, is that so if you ever have a dream where the place you are at, or like where the walk you are at, is like completely empty. So if the place you were previously walking at is completely empty, and like you have a dream about that, that is a sign for you to move on. Like there's nothing more you can learn at that place, and so you need to move on. And so at my previous job, before I left it, like I had that dream like 3 or 4 times by then, of just the workplace being empty. Like it's telling me I can leave. And it took me too long to realize. So, but yeah, then I left it. Now I'm here. And now on to the third dream, and that would be the probably last week. I had so in the dream I was looking at like I guess a baby with yellow eyes or something off in the distance from where I was either laying or sitting down. And what ended up happening was that face like transitioned, as well as the whole room going from like really bright to just darkness, and that face transitioned into like a video screen of Bill Nye the Science Guy with the spiral hypnotic eyes. And I had poured a like a needle out of my thigh that was providing me fluid or something, and I said aloud that this no longer works on me. And what I think that dream represents is that like I poured myself out of the matrix, which is basically just out of the illusion that the current world is in right now. It like there's so much waste. It's amazing how like I said, there's just so much waste. It would take too long to explain every single thing in detail of how this illusion is insane. I'm surprised like we've even gotten this far based on the illusion. But now that people are waking up, we can all get out of it. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Patreon or the Discord, and we can chat it up. And that's about it. Have a good day, and goodbye for a second time, since I'm recording one video right after another. Bye.